In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CMC Markets in Tradingview. If you're an active trader, you know the importance of having all your tools in one easy-to-access platform. Tradingview is a powerful tool for this purpose, providing a user-friendly interface and comprehensive market insights. Today, we will guide you through the straightforward process of connecting CMC Markets, one of the many brokers available on Tradingview, so you can start trading seamlessly. To begin, open your preferred web browser and head over to Tradingview's website. It's simply tradingview.com, a name you've probably already bookmarked if you're a frequent user. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper area of the page where you'll find the Supercharts option. Go ahead and click on that. Supercharts is essentially a gateway to an area of Tradingview where you can access detailed charts of financial markets, customize indicators, and set up various trading strategies. It's a great tool when you're looking to deeply analyze market trends. Now, with the Supercharts open, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen. Here, you'll find an option labeled Trading Panel, typically displayed as a tab that runs across the lower part of the chart area. Click on it to reveal a range of broker options that can be integrated with Tradingview. After you open the trading panel, you should see another tab or button saying Show All Brokers. Clicking here will expand a list of available broker connections you can establish within Tradingview. It's always nice to have options, right? Having quick access to various brokers can significantly enhance your trading efficiency by allowing you to compare and switch between options as needed. Now comes the part where we scroll through this list of brokers to find CMC Markets. It might be a bit of a scroll, depending on how many brokers are listed at any given time, but don't worry. The list is generally well organized, often alphabetical, which makes tracking down CMC Markets relatively straightforward. Once you've located CMC Markets in the list, you'll see an option to connect. Just click on Connect to initiate the linking process. At this point, you'll likely be prompted to log in using your CMC Markets account credentials. Simply follow the on-screen instructions and enter the necessary information. And just like that, you're all set up. By following these steps, you've successfully linked CMC Markets to your Tradingview account. This integration allows you to execute trades, analyze comprehensive data, and refine your trading strategy all in a single, streamlined platform. It's a crucial step for anyone serious about trading. Thanks for joining me today, and happy trading.